Thank you for taking the time to look at this brief overview of Plan to Prosper, the account development playbook. Plan to Prosper sits natively in Salesforce.com and is accessible through the account page. The first thing you will notice is that there is now an overview of the status of the account development plan, the Plan to Prosper. This traffic light system gives us a snapshot of the status of the plan according to the Plan to Prosper methodology. The green labels tell us that we have satisfied the criteria for achieving our objectives in any particular category. The red labels tell us that we are failing to achieve the criteria, and a black label tells us that we do not know what the status is because we have not addressed this question yet. While Sales Methods has a turnkey solution based on world-class account management principles, we have also introduced Maestro, the feature that allows you to parameterize the methodology to reflect your world. Using Maestro, you can either amend Plan to Prosper to reflect your terminology and language, or completely build a different playbook that embeds your own methodology in Salesforce.com. We understand that any new initiative often needs to be seen as a development on what has gone before, and not as a totally new adventure. Maestro allows you to do exactly that. Simply create a new question set. Decide whether you want to start from a blank piece of paper or work with the Sales Methods solution, and set about either editing categories and questions or building new ones. You can also choose which tools you use in association with the question set application and set auto-match rules that ensure the right question sets get presented to the right people. For the purpose of this demonstration, however, we will use our world-class account development application, Plan to Prosper. From this snapshot, we can tell that we have yet to leverage our reputation by communicating effectively, that we have done our homework in terms of insight into the account, but not yet formalized our understanding of their critical needs, that we know what we want to achieve, our ambition, but again we are not communicating effectively, and finally we have some work to do in securing the right resource to achieve our aims. The workflow is simple. We drill down into the area of the methodology we want to address. If necessary, we can review Coach Me, the feature that presents not only guidelines as to what to do at this stage of the sale, but which also presents relevant information at exactly the time it is needed. Coach Me integrates with your chosen platform for sales collateral, whether on your own virtual network or on a third-party platform. Having determined what is required, we provide evidence of where we sit versus the criteria for satisfying this part of the methodology, and rate our status. Crucially, we then set about building our sales plan by creating actions to achieve our sales objectives. All tasks and events are integrated with Salesforce so that people get email and calendar reminders. Integrating Salesforce with your email engine allows you to manage this real-time in your email application. The plan itself has 4 different views: a list of objectives and their due date and status, a list of activities and their due date and status, a schedule of events that helps prioritize objectives by passing them through a filter of urgency and importance, a Gantt chart that looks at the interdependencies of the plan. Okay, now I want to take you to the account overview. The overview, which can be tailored to your requirements, can be output to a portable document for use in executive briefings or other procedures such as management reviews and sales governance forums. Show Me, Sales Methods Documents and Analytics application, enables you to automatically build Word, PowerPoint and Excel templates that both drive business processes and continuous improvement in the way you sell. Finally, because Plan to Prosper is native in Salesforce, all data fields can be reported through the Salesforce Report Writer, enabling a rich array of dashboards and reports that drive continuous improvement in the sales process. This, allied with Show Me, the Sales Methods Documents and Analytics application, enables you to automatically build and deploy Word, PowerPoint and Excel templates that both drive business processes and facilitate continuous improvement in the way you sell. I hope this brief overview has given you a flavour of the power of Plan to Prosper in supporting your sales activities. Thank you for spending the time with us today, and if we can help you in any way, please contact us through the quick inquiry form in the contact section of our website.